For the fourth episode of Get to Know RTX, we bring you on the field with us to better understand the life of a wheel. The first step is the imagination, where we analyze market demand and tendencies. We then choose the design that we would like to introduce in our offer, followed by the choice of the color, such as silver, black, black machine, bronze, etc. We then have to choose the size we're going to offer the wheels in, such as 17 by 7, 18 by 8, 20 by 10, and many more. And lastly, we have to choose a name depending on the series the wheel is going to be. We got RTX OE, RTX Off-Road, RTX, and RTX R-Spec. For example, R-Spec wheel got shorter names such as FF15, and RTX got more common names such as Valkyrie. Then comes the prototype steps. We either got to choose an existing model on the market or create a brand new one. We then make drawings, which are 3D images of the wheel to make sure that it can clear the brakes on the vehicle. We then make samples to test them in real life to make sure that everything's fit on the vehicle. And lastly, we decide to produce the wheel or not. And then we're on to the next step. The third step is the conception. The wheels are produced in a large quantity, are powder coated, and machined if they need to. The wheels are then shipped by boat directly to us and then transported to our warehouses. Once they arrive at our warehouse, they're then stored until someone orders them. The wheels are stored like this in a warehouse until you order them to one of our retailers. They're then shipped out directly to the retailers for you to pick them up. With more than 150 models, we do have a vast offer of alloy wheels. The choice is yours.